The food safety group of Agrotecnio Center focuses on applied mycology, that is, in the molds. Our research involves two main aspects. The first is the study of microtoxins in foods, which are chemical contaminants of biological origin. We try to mitigate this problem to reach the least presence in food and, hence, the consumer should be more protected. The other aspect is to take advantage of the activity of these molds to obtain biocatalysts, which can be used in the food, pharmaceutical or cosmetic industry.
Our adventure in trying to minimize the presence of mycotoxins in food has led us to develop several national and international projects. If we had to summarize the recent achievements of our research group, we could say that, on the one hand, we have described the environmental conditions necessary to prevent accumulation of mycotoxins in food for a large number of mycotoxigenic species. Moreover, we have optimized the processes of production of some foods to obtain mycotoxin-free products. We have also published the first study, at Spanish level, of exposure to mycotoxins, particularly by the Catalan population. Finally, today we are leaders in the field of predictive mycology, through which we manage to predict the accumulation of mycotoxins in food raw materials. The results of all these investigations have resulted in over 200 worldwide publications.
As future challenges, our group faces two major challenges. On the one hand, further deepen in the effect of the processing of food and feed in the degradation and decomposition of the mycotoxins present in the raw materials, and, on the other hand, and since in many cases we have to assume that this contamination occurs at the beginning of the food chain, studying and sorbing compounds that bind mycotoxins in the gastrointestinal tract of animals and prevent their absorption and, hence, its accumulation in the tissues of animals. It should be noted that these two objectives have a very clear practical component and, therefore, they are of interest to industry. This is why different companies are interested in working with us in the development of this kind of experiments.